idea for my project in school, but I can't find its answer. Can you help me?
Yes, sure. Have you heard about PDF.ai?
PDF.ai and another app.
Yes, but it's not just an app, it's a smart assistant for your PDF files. And you will just upload your PDF file and it will give you the answers whatever you want to ask. It will give you the summary. Even if you give it a command to read the third paragraph and explain it for you, it will do that also.
Wow, can it help me in my maths?
Yes, it will obviously help you in your maths, and now you don't need to scroll down all the pages of your PDF. You will just upload and ask whatever you want to ask it.
Wow, then can you teach me?
Yeah, sure. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, Riyansh. So to use PDF.ai, you will open web browser and here you will write this website, or you can Google PDF.ai. After that, you will log in with your ID and you just need to click on this upload section. Okay.
Okay.
So they said key maximum size of your file should not be exceed 10 MB. So we'll click here and you can upload any of the file. Let's assume I'm having this file with me. So I have uploaded it.
Okay.
And you will click on upload option. Now look. Your screen will be divided in two parts. On the left side, your PDF will be there, and on the right side, a chat GPT will be there.
Okay.
Now, whatever question you want to ask, like it will show you some demo questions also, like give me a summary of this document, what are the strength and weakness of a means. It will read the whole session, whole content of your document, and then it will ask you, you can ask any of the question. Like if you want to see the summary, there are some of the documents questions are there which are already designed. You have to just select. Like if you want to just see the summary, you will click here. So it is in some other language. You will write give response in English. So it has converted the language to English. Now this is the summary of your whole document. Look how it's easy.
Yes.
Like you got the homework for your summer assignment also, where you have to read the full novel and then write the summary. So this software is going to help you. And moreover, like we have one more question. What does the IPO cycle refers to? I'll click here and it will give the answer about that also. And here is the answer. In the same way, like if you want to find some other information, like give detail about hardware. So I press the enter key. So my response is here. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the benefit? There is no need to read the whole PDF if it is having a lot of pages and you want a quick summary, or you want to find a particular information about any particular topic, then we can go for it. Okay?
Okay. Oh wow, it's very helpful. Technology.
But just remember, my dear, use it to understand, not just to copy, because it's the time of AI, so study smarter, not harder with PDF.ai.